Good morning. Welcome to MarineMax Stuart. Today, we're going to be taking a look at one of our recent trades, which is a 2020 425 HTS Galeon. This model is great because you get your fully enclosed salon, IPS drives for great handling around the docks and performance. You get a great little tender garage and storage for all your gear. As we move into the boat, we got great wraparound seating, nice good sized table, storage underneath the seats, access to the front of your tender garage, and engine access. As we move into the boat, see a nice comfortably appointed salon. A rear window that opens up to create a really nice open space. Nice solid door, entertainment system, AC systems right as you walk in. Nice wraparound seating with adjustable seat, so whether you're going to be sitting or running the boat. One nice thing about Galeon is they do a lot of their woodwork in-house. So you'll find a lot of phenomenally well-made tables and details. As we move forward to the helm, you got Garmin display with your Volvo display, your IPS joystick, nice digital controls with a zip wake system for your handling of the boat. As we move down into the galley, in your stateroom area, you'll notice two good size head units, nice VIP guest suite, and a well-appointed midship master. Again, the woodwork and the attention to detail . This boat comes with huge hanging lockers as you enter into the master. And last but certainly not least, you have a giant sunroof that opens up. When you have those beautiful days on the water, you can get a lot of that nice fresh air throughout the boat. So that concludes our quick tour of the 425 HTS. If you have any more questions about this boat or any boat in our MarineMax fleet, my name is Dan Thompson. You can reach me on my cell phone at 978-375-1584, and I look forward to seeing you on the water. Have a great day.